Okay, welcome back to class. In today's class, we're going to be looking at how to create tables. Okay, I've written the code. I just wrote the code down. So we first of all call our function, that's our MySQL. Since we're making use of the MySQL, we call the MySQL. We require MySQL. Then const con MySQL. That means we are importing MySQL. Create connection. We create the connection. Function create connection now. We have this now. Then what is it? We are going to be having the local host, our user, which is the root. Then the password is what I have. Then the database I'm using is VCRX. So that's the database. Remember in the last class I showed you that this is the database I would be using. Then I have con.connect function error. If error, you throw error, or else you console. That's you display log.log console.log connected. Then this is the line for creating the table SQL, because create table. Now I'm putting customers. Then I put ID. ID is just like the serial number. Then it's going to be int. That means it's not going to be large values. It might be just from 1 down to 7, 8. That would be the maximum. But if I had included big int, that means it could take 20 characters. Yes, it could take 20 characters, but this is what I'll be working with. I'll work with int, then auto increment. So I don't need to start labeling one after the other. It just takes the auto increment. After 1, the next one is 2, the next one is 3, the next one is 4, the next one is 5. And the first one is going to be the primary key. Yes, it's going to be the primary key. Then followed by name. Can you see it? Name. I have name in small letters. Then it's going to be var. That's 255. So this varchar says it could pick any letter at all. Then the address. Okay, so the address also will pick varchar 255. So it could pick any letter, symbol could be included, and so on. So I will now put the con query SQL function error or the result. If error, throw error. Console.log table created. So this will be the function that will be displayed. So I will save, then I go to my terminal, and let's see how far I can run it from my terminal. I have NodeJs create table .js, create table.js. Now can you see what is it showing? Connected, table created. Can you see the result? Just goes on to say connected. That means there was no error. It has been connected. Then after the connection, it went down, create table, this. Then it goes down to say, okay, table created. So I have created my table. Where is my table? In my database VCRX. My table is in my database VCRX. So I can use this medium to create my tables, and I can create multiple tables inside of this database. So it depends on what I have. Then I can make some changes on my SQL call function. So that will be that for today's class. In our next class, we'll be talking about how to insert MySQL insert, how to insert from this function here. How do we insert into the table? Then we go back to MySQL to see the display on the table, and so on and so forth. Alright, see you in the next class then.